In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your out of office in ClickUp. If you want to let your team know that you're unavailable, taking time off, or simply away from your desk. Setting an out of office status in ClickUp is a quick and helpful way to keep everyone informed. It only takes a moment to update, and it can make communication much smoother for your teammates. To get started, open ClickUp and look to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile avatar. Go ahead and click on it to open your profile menu. This menu gives you access to personal options related to your account, including your current availability and status settings. Once the menu appears, look for the option called Set Status, which appears below your name. Click that to open the status settings. This is where you can choose how your availability will appear to other people in your workspace. Now you can choose an out-of-office status. ClickUp provides preset options that make this very easy. For example, you can select sick if you're out for the day, or vacation if you'll be away for a longer period, such as until Friday. These built-in options are useful because they quickly communicate the reason you're unavailable without needing much setup. If you'd rather use a more personalized message, you can create a custom status instead. In the field labeled What's on your mind, type the message you want your team to see. This is a great option if you want to be more specific, like noting that you're away for appointments, in training, or offline for the afternoon. After entering your status, you can choose an emoji to go along with it. Click the emoji icon and select the one that best matches your message. This small visual detail can make your status easier to spot at a glance and can also add a bit of personality while still keeping things professional. Next, set the status duration. This tells ClickUp when your out-of-office status should be automatically removed. Choosing a duration is important because it helps keep your status accurate, so you don't have to remember to manually turn it off later. Once everything looks right, click Save. Your new status will now be visible to others in your ClickUp workspace, helping them understand that you may not respond right away. That's all it takes to set your out of office in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.